Kazuo Toaka, the man once known as the Godfather of Japan. For decades, he ruled the Yamaguchi-gumi, Japan's most powerful yakuza syndicate, with iron discipline and sharp intelligence. Under his command, the organization grew massively, controlling businesses, politics, and underground markets across Japan. But every empire has its cracks. In the late 1970s, internal tensions and rivalries started to rise within the Yamaguchi-gumi. Tuaka's old school ways clashed with younger, more violent members who wanted faster profits through drugs and extortion, something Tuaka strongly opposed. Then in 1978, everything changed during a visit to a nightclub in Kyoto. Tuaka was suddenly attacked and shot by a rival gang member from the Matsuda Gumi. The Godfather survived the hit but was never the same again. His health declined and his grip on power weakened. With Tuaka unable to lead, rival factions began fighting for control. The one united Yamaguchi-gumi was now heading toward chaos. In 1981, Kazuo Tuaka died of a heart attack, marking the end of an era. After his death, the struggle for leadership exploded into a violent internal war known as the Yama-Lichi conflict. Hundreds were injured and dozens lost their lives as the group tore itself apart. Kazuo Tuaka's falls remind us of a brutal truth: even the most feared leaders can't control what happens when loyalty fades and ambition takes over. His empire, built on power and discipline, crumbled the moment he was gone.